4 tips to prevent battery bloating. When mobile devices are left charging for extended periods of time, such as in a kiosk or other permanent installation, they can experience a phenomenon known as battery bloating, or swelling, where the lithium-ion battery literally expands inside its casing. This can cause severe damage to both the battery and mobile device. Battery bloating is usually caused by overcharging or overheating, which messes with the battery's chemistry and shortens its lifespan. While it is impossible to reverse the damage, this video will provide steps to prevent it from happening. Ensure good ventilation. Mobile devices inevitably heat up while they're in use, but if the device has proper ventilation, it will have the opportunity to cool down. This is especially important if the tablet is being used in a stand-up enclosure or kiosk. You need to make sure the enclosure is not somehow blocking the tablet's airflow. If it is, the tablet will keep the heat captured, and the device will stay hot, which ultimately leads to battery damage over time. Reduce screen brightness. One of the greatest sources of heat on a mobile device is the screen itself. There's really no need to keep the tablet screen at 100% brightness. You can easily reduce the brightness by 20% or even 30% in the display settings. This will significantly cut down on the heat generated by the device and reduce the strain on the battery at the same time. Ditch the fast charger. A mobile device generates heat as it charges, and the higher the wattage of the charger, the more heat it produces. Many new phones and tablets are equipped with a fast charging capability, which uses a higher wattage charger such as 45 watts or 100 watts, used to speed up the charging process. However, if your device is in a permanent or semi-permanent setup, you don't need fast charging, as your device will be plugged in much, if not all of the time, so it doesn't matter how fast or slow it is charging. Modulate the charge. Another common cause of battery capacity degradation and physical bloating is overcharging the device. Some devices are designed to turn off charging when they're at full charge. However, each time one of those devices drops just below 100%, a trickle charge initiates to top it up. This can also damage the battery over time. By ensuring the mobile device doesn't overcharge or get caught in a trickle charge loop, you lower the chance of battery swelling. This can be done in multiple ways. You can install a third-party app that alerts you when the device is at a full charge so you can unplug it, or you pick up an adapter that does the job for you. The eSync series, for example, is Lava's top-tier line of enterprise simulcharge adapters, which provides simultaneous charging and access to data to compatible USB-C devices. The eSync line features RBM technology, which uses battery modulation to prevent mobile devices from overcharging and their batteries from bloating. Battery modulation creates the optimal charging and discharging cycles for a standard lithium-ion battery to keep it healthy. Through the accompanying LTM app, which must be installed on the mobile device for the adapter to work properly, users can set up upper and lower threshold boundaries for the mobile device. When the tablet charges to the upper percentage, the eSync adapter will turn off charging. It will then let the tablet discharge to the lower percentage before turning charging back on. The default settings ensure the mobile device stays between a 45% and 75% charge. Battery modulation extends the lifespan of a battery, giving you additional years of use out of the device for a better return on investment. Lava's eSync adapters do not employ fast charging. They charge mobile devices at the standard 5 volts 2 amps, so there is less of a chance of overheating. RBM also includes a screen brightness management feature to reduce heat from the display. While its functionality is similar to just adjusting the tablet's own brightness settings, screen brightness management lets you set the brightness level for daytime and another for nighttime. This is useful if you have your tablets in a permanent setup that is operational during the day but closed at night. The setting allows the tablets to cool down during off hours. To find out more about Lava's eSync adapters and how they prevent battery bloating, check out Lava's website.